Hi, good morning to everyone. So today we are meeting again in our NPI live. So for the beginning, I think it'll be only me for starting, and maybe later Hyril will be joining in. So right, so let me just share the screen. Okay, so just wanna ask, like last week we had the sale for the maker box. So I'm not sure how much uh, how much of the viewers here or the makers out there were able to grab the offer, the maker box offer. So if you have, I think not much people share about it. So if you have got the box and you have any like thoughts on sharing it, so please do so in our website, in our social media platform, and please do so. Right. So before we begin, right, so I think we want to have like a caption word or what. So before we begin, we say that let's jump. Right. So we have a first viewer for today, which is Roy Chi Peng. Thanks, Roy Chi Peng. Morning. Thanks for joining. So Raya got promo code. So for Raya, we there's no special code, but as usual for the NPI, we are still giving the NPI discount price is still there, and you have I bought and get free green packet. Green packet? You mean the ampau, the Sampul Raya, is it? And hi from Nelo Media. Hi Nelo Media. It's been a while since we heard from you. So thank you for joining with us today this morning. And okay, you got the Raya, right? The Raya, yeah. We're giving the Raya sample actually, and I think towards the end we will have that. And hi to Leonette. Hi, Goni. Thanks for joining with us this morning. And as usual, for today we're gonna have the giveaway as well. But the giveaway will be announced by maybe me or Hairi later on. As usual, we're gonna have the first giveaway in the mid of the session, and then another one will be toward the end of the session. We have two interesting giveaway. I'm not able to show the giveaway price now, but I can mention it. The first one will be the Son-Off device. It's a quite interesting device, and the other one is the PLA filament, 1 kilo worth of filament. And let's see which one we're gonna do the giveaway first. So basically, just stay tuned with us for the next 1 hour. Right. Okay. Before we go on, we have hi from Muhammad Iqmal. Hi Muhammad Iqmal. Thank you for joining from Homey Tech. Thanks for joining Homey Tech. And we have the Cytron have a solution for Arduino with HDMI output or variant. Only thing I can find is the video. I don't want to go Raspberry Pi. This one I'm not so sure. The video, yes, but for Arduino and HDMI, I'm not so sure at the moment. But let me check, or we can just chat with our genies. So maybe we can try to see if we do have the Arduino product with HDMI. As far I'm concerned, there's no, but I need to reconfirm back on this. And oh my god, I'm not sure for what. And Chi Song Chan, hi, morning Chi Song Chan. Thank you for joining. And anyone else? Okay. Oh my god, I think Rochi Feng mentioned for the prize. So stay tuned, Rochi Feng. So hopefully you have Ong today to win the prize. And he also, okay, Nano Media would much rather use a Cytron bot. Thank you for trusting our brand. Really appreciate it. So we try to bring more and more reliable and useful product for our customer and for our supporters. Alright. Okay, so without further ado, let's start our session for today. So today we're going to have a quite number of interesting products to share with our viewers today. So the first one, actually we plan to go with the HuskyLens, but since this one will be demonstrated by Hyril, so Hyril will be joining in a bit later. So let's move to the next product first. So we will come back to the HuskyLens later. Right, so the first product for today is the reComputer Jetson Orin Nano 4GB. So if you have seen or the past few NPI session, we have been bringing in more and more AI products, and we're also having more and more videos on AI also. So this is another variant of the Jetson. This is one is a Jetson Orin Nano 4GB, and it's not available yet to pre-order or to place order. It's actually coming soon. So if you want to be notified, you can always click the notify me in order for you to be notified once we have the we bring it in stock. And okay, this let's just go through in a very quick glance, since we don't have the actual product with us at the moment. We will go through the product page itself. So this one is the reComputer J3010 built with Jetson Orin Nano 4GB. It's a powerful and compact intelligent edge box to bring you up to 20 TOPS. This one is quite high. There's 20 TOPS. Modern AI performance to the edge, which offers around the same performance as Jetson Xavier. So anyone is familiar or have worked before with the Jetson Xavier Nano, this will be a good option to look into. And this one is the combining the NVIDIA Ampere GPU architecture with 64-bit, right? And let's see some more details. If you have any video, yeah, let's see how long this video will take. Okay, right. So before that, I think I need to, because I'm not sure the sound will be there. So I just want to stop sharing, and then I will just present back the screen, so that I need to include the sound. Yeah, just now I didn't pick the sound. All right. Okay, so let's see. Hopefully this is not too long. Then we can view the video. About very short video on the product, right? So yeah, you can always come to here. You can see what are the spec and everything here, so you can know more about the detail. And if you want to know what actually the device can capable of and what is the purpose of the device, and you can, this one come in a very nice packaging actually, so you no need to worry about how you want to place it. This is more like a mini computer, you know. You can just buy it and it's ready to use. No need any hardware work you need to done, because it's already come in an enclosure, so it'll be much more easier to work with. So for this one, it's still coming soon. So the price is 2980. So there's no any discount or what for this. So you can already, if you are interested, you can always click the notify me button. So in order for you to be notified. So yeah, I think we have Hairil. Yeah, good to see Hairil.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm late.
No worries. better late than never. So you're it's good. Right. So before we move to
this first product.
Yeah. Actually, I planned the HuskyLens first, but since the HuskyLens will be demonstrated by you, so I moved to the reComputer. So later we will move to the HuskyLens. Okay, before we move to the next product, we have some more comments from our viewers. When is Arduino Giga R1 Wi-Fi coming in? Oh, this one I don't have the info with my hand. So I think if already launched, then we might bring it in the soonest time. But anyway, you can always check in our social media or in our web store. I mean, to know if already bring it or not. And definitely, if there's a new, we are bringing it in, we're gonna have it in our NPI as well. And yeah, this one is for the answering the Nano Media question for HDMI output with MCU. What do you want to do with MCU? So I think this one is back to to display values in higher resolution, right? So I think Nano Media is answering for the reply from Ober. And Chris saying hi Chris, thanks for joining. And Roy Che and Jackie Chai joining. Thanks. Hi Jackie Chai. And Hello Media currently using Uno, but they can only support 7-pin SPI, which is 12864. Yeah, I think they're replying back to what Ober and Nelo has been discussing. Right, so let's move on with our next product for today. I think we'll go back to our initial plan, which is to demo the HuskyLens. I think Hairil want to talk about the HuskyLens, right?
Okay, can you hear me clearly?
Yeah, we can hear you. Yes.
Oh, okay. I am afraid that I will lag again.
No. So far, no, like your voice is clear.
Okay. Okay, so I think this is highlight for today. This is very interesting product and AI machine vision camera. So this one is very interesting. Why? Because usually if we heard AI, right, artificial intelligence, we might think that that is very hard to do, very hard to do the project with AI, everything else like that. But with this HuskyLens, the AI thing become easy, very easy. Yeah. So just to give some uh, uh, what we call a
Idea.
general
General.
what is general idea of what is HuskyLens. Maybe we can just play a video first.
Oh, this video, right?
2 minute video.
Okay.
This video is also very good. It show each application of this HuskyLens.
Right. So let's play this
Later I
video.
demo a bit.
Okay.
HuskyLens is a smart, easy-to-use artificial intelligence vision sensor designed to bring a new way for makers to build their projects. It comes with multiple functions such as face recognition, object tracking, line tracking, color recognition, and tag recognition. By a simple click, HuskyLens will start learning things, just like this. To play with it, the application of HuskyLens is truly versatile, from smart robots to interactive art projects. The object tracking mode of HuskyLens is innovative. The machine learning technology enables HuskyLens to learn custom-defined pattern of finger gesture and recognize it. Creating a gesture interactive art projects has never been so easy with HuskyLens. Put HuskyLens into a robotic dog and switch on the face recognition. New face can be learned and recognized. A unique pet is now alive. The color recognition makes the scenario even more fun. Learns a new ball and follow it. The interaction to the robotic toy has been brought to a new level. HuskyLens is more than just a color picker. Up to 10 different objects can be detected and recognized. With few clicks, the object is learned and selected. Click to switch on the line tracking mode. HuskyLens is now learning new lines and follow them. Tag recognition provides new possibility for applications, making an autonomous robot has never been so easy now. HuskyLens is engineered with a built-in UART interface, which makes it compatible with most controllers such as Arduino, Raspberry Pi, Latte Panda, and Microbit. HuskyLens is extremely easy to be integrated into any projects and brings the intelligence of projects to a new level. Click, learn, and play.
Looks
Okay, that's
interesting.
for the video. So I think the video already cover every features of the HuskyLens.
Yeah.
So maybe I can just demo one. So can you share my screen?
Yeah, I'm bringing your screen.
Okay. So it come in this black box. So usually black box is a we call trademark for
DF robot.
DF robot lah, DF robot.
Yes.
Yeah. Hitam itu premium. So when you open this box, so it's maybe like this. So this one we already open. So the camera will be inside this
Inside this one.
plastic, and then there is a partition below this, and here you will have the the wire.
Oh wait, you have one more
I think
screen.
this one goof.
Oh, it's okay.
Yeah. The one's for HuskyLens later. So
Oh, okay.
this one you connect from HuskyLens, and this one to your MCU.
Oh,
So
okay.
you use this jumper to communicate with the microcontroller. And then in this plastic, you have the screw nuts and bracket holder. So everything in this plastic.
Okay.
So that's all for the packaging. Maybe can share screen my
Can. Wait,
this one.
I'll bring it here. Okay.
Oh, can you do two screen? One for extra camera and beside side to side.
Oh, you want to see side by side? Wait,
Can you do that?
I think I need to. I think we can't do that. Wait, let's see. Oh, it become 3.
Okay, let me try. If you can see the screen of the Husky.
Wait, if not, I remove myself first for a while lah, so that be visible. Is it okay?
Yeah. You
Yeah,
remove
I just remove my screen for a while.
Okay. So can you see the screen of the HuskyLens? So yeah, the the extra camera is not very good. But the camera for HuskyLens is good, but the extra camera, the quality. So you can see that the HuskyLens already detect my face, right? So wherever I turn, this HuskyLens will still detect my face. So to check for other features, okay. Oh, not clear. Hussein, can you see that? Hello? Hussein? Hello?
Yes, I read.
Hello?
We cannot see. I mean, can see your screen.
I want to show the how to choose each features.
Okay, we can see. Okay.
Yeah. So the first one is for face recognition. We have object tracking, object recognition, line tracking, color recognition,
We bring the bigger.
type recognition, object classification, and general setting. So there's a lot of features for in one product. So this one is very very good for makers who want to start learning AI, to try AI.
Not into very depth into the code, because they can just like
Yeah.
apply the AI in their project or anything straight away.
And the F robot also prepare a syllabus to learn this HuskyLens to play with Arduino, to play with Raspberry Pi. And for Arduino also, they already create the library and example code to try.
I see.
So easy for beginner.
I see. Okay. So let's see. Okay. So I think that's what has been explained by Hyril just now. So this one is really a good, very good device for people who just want to start to learn or to understand what is AI without
Yeah.
jumping into the
Wait.
usually. Yes,
Wait.
Harry?
So this HuskyLens come with silicone case.
Oh, okay.
So actually
So
the
protected.
black cover is the silicone case.
Uh-huh.
You don't need to
Okay.
buy separately. It comes together.
Together. Oh, okay. Oh, then it's good. So you don't need to worry. It's like you wanna damage it or what. I mean, it's protected inside the
Yeah.
silicone case. Right. So these are the six different things. You can do the object tracking, face recognition, the object recognition, line tracking, color recognition, and tag recognition. So this is just like out of the box. You can straight away
So
start to do AI. So it's really cool. You know, like last time we used to have the CMU cam, if you remember, CMU cam, but the one is like very limited to the. You only can detect, if I'm not mistaken, the color and the shape only. And that one also you need to do lot of tweaking, quite a lot of tweaking. If you're not familiar, then you need to do a lot of tweaking. And for interfacing also, it's not very straightforward as this one. This one I would say is a very much simplified version of the AI. So it's really interesting to see like this kind of product, and it's good that we are carrying it, and hopefully the viewers and the makers can benefit from using this device.
yeah.
Right. So as usual for the resources and everything, you can always come to the product page as has been mentioned by Hyril just now. If you need any tutorial for interfacing with the Arduino, for the microbit, all the tutorials are done by the DF robot already. So it's really useful for you. I mean, if you just want to see how it's get done, also you can always come here and see the number of projects that you can do with the
Yeah.
HuskyLens. Right, so I think that's about the HuskyLens. So the actual price for this product is 298 ringgit, and currently we are giving 10% off for this product. So you can grab this for 268 ringgit and 20 cents. We have 5.5 days more and 15 more in stock. So try to grab this while the stock and the offer price lasts. And yeah, I think before we move to the next product, we want to just go through some of the comments. So this like I think over replying for the Network Media comments. So HDMI not be high resolution. You might want to look for the Raspberry Zero. Yeah, I think Robert is suggesting to go for the Raspberry Pi Zero. And yeah, the HuskyLens is it's very impressive. I mean, it's really good if you can get a whole of one HuskyLens, to experiment by yourself. It'll be really good. And yeah, it can. So need bright area for Husky, otherwise not effective, and has some lines on screen. Okay, so maybe Chris maybe have experience using the HuskyLens, so you need a bright area for HuskyLens. Thanks for noting that. And of course, for this one for HuskyLens and Chris, so nice. Okay. And is it the label can change for face detection? Like I want to put the name. Is it possible, Harry? I mean, if we program the HuskyLens like by name.
To be honest, I not tried yet.
Oh, okay.
But by default, it will detect Face ID 1, Face ID 2, Face ID 3. But I never try to change the
Change the
name.
name. Okay. Okay. Oh, then we need to explore more if we have the option
But
to.
for object recognition, it already have memory. I think like 20 object that it can directly detect. For example,
Oh,
like
okay.
car, bicycle, it can directly recognize that is car, that
Recognize
is bicycle. I think up to 20 objects.
objects. Okay. So maybe then it's a possible lah. Then there's a possible
Should be possible.
to put your name also lah.
Yep.
Right. Okay. That's about the HuskyLens. So try to grab this. We don't think that with the offer price and the stock, if you're into AI vision, so this will be the good option and good time to buy this one. Right. So are we gonna do the spinning now or a bit later?
After
this
this,
is the next product after this,
more,
okay.
more,
One more product. All right. Okay, so let's move to the next product for today. Right. So this one is from Adafruit, which is Adafruit MPU 6050, 6 degree of freedom. It's an accelerometer and gyro sensor with STEMMA QT or Qwiic interface. So this one, I think we have brought in the MPU sensor, but this one is from the Adafruit, and it has the STEMMA QT. It has the STEMMA QT interfacing lah. Basically, the device is with me. Just let me share video the device. Right. So this is the device. Okay, let me just zoom a bit. Oops, not this one.
Cannot focus.
Yeah, I made the autofocus actually, so I think I need to just hold it for a while. Oh, I need to change that.
Oh, the board also, the sensor also very small.
Oh, very small, very small. Wait, let me just adjust the zoom a bit.
Okay.
Yeah, I think now it's better. So this is the sensor. So it's very small. If you can see, like if I'm putting the finger, it's just like very small. So this is MPU 6050, 6 degree of freedom. So basically this is an accelerometer and gyro sensor lah. So this one I think you cannot zoom the chip, what chip is using. So at the back is mentioned here. So what is the sensor? So you have a normal interfacing also. If you want to use a pinout, it's possible also, and you have the option to change the address. If you want to change the address, this is for changing the address. This one for the clock in and the F-Sync. So if you don't need, by default it's connected. If you don't want, you can just block the signal. And this is just the explanation. So you have the option to choose for the gyro. You have the range of plus minus 250 to 2000 dps for accelerometer. You have the plus minus. You can configure to work at the 2, 4, 8 or 16G. And by default,
even though the sensor is very small, but they still can put all information on the board itself.
And okay, the logic for the I2C logic and the VCC is 3 to 5 volt VDC. It's a standard thing. And here I just want to demo it. So I'm just using the Maker Feather AIT with the Adafruit OLED to demo the reading. So just bear with me. I just need to upload the code for this one. So later we can just see it's working. So it'll be a very quick one. So I just need to upload first.
This one is the example code.
This one I'm just using the example.
Provided by the Adafruit?
It's probably Adafruit. So you can straightly go to the Arduino library. So you can just do it here. I mean, while waiting, I think I can just show it to you. Okay, you can just go to the here Sketch, include library, and go to manage libraries. And inside there, you can choose you can type the model number, and from Adafruit you can just download, and you can go to the examples and you can find the library there. Okay, so it's uploading to the code, so just taking a bit time to upload. Oh, okay, maybe I need to close the other one, that's why it's not working. Okay, so just bear with me a few more minutes before it's uploaded. Okay, so basically while waiting for the upload.
Okay,
wait, let me just go through here. Okay, this one is like for if you know how things are shaking and spinning, so this is the device you can use for detecting it. And if you're doing a balancing robot, the MPU 6054 is like the sensor that will be needed. Usually for the balancing robot, we'll use the MPU 6050. And here are the more details of the product. So basically the power pins are using the 3 VDC, and you also have the option for the other addressable pins. And okay, STEMMA basically, but you know, like it's using the I2C configuration. Yeah, this one is taking a bit time
If
to
not, then we just go for giveaway.
giveaway. I
First, the
think we
first
do
giveaway.
first giveaway. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, just one minute, just 1 minute. Because this one is not detecting the bot. I'm not sure why.
Oops. Okay, you need to enter bootloader mode, all that.
Pardon, Harry?
The Maker Feather, right? You use Maker Feather, right?
Ah, yes. That's why it's taking a bit time down that. And so just now I didn't close one of the this one, so I think that's why it's taking a bit time. But I think we can just go for the first one, Harry, while waiting.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let me share. You can see my screen, right?
Wait. Okay, we can see it now. So I think for the
Okay.
first one, what we gonna do?
Okay, wait.
The giveaway.
Oh, today price quite big and heavy. So for today price, there are two different price, which is the 3D printer filament. This one is I think green color good. Green color.
Green color.
And
Oh, okay.
for the main price for today is Sono product. So this is 4 channel Wi-Fi smart switch. 4 channel Wi-Fi smart switch Sono product. So this one you can use for your smart home. So for the first giveaway, we'll give the 3D printer filament. So
Okay.
I just spin for the first one. Okay, for the first winner is Ikmal Hakim 20 from Instagram.
Oh, congrats, Ikmal.
Yeah, if you're watching this MPLF, please comment.
Yeah. So usually we have a countdown, so you need to respond.
Yeah. So okay, I'll start the countdown.
Yeah,
10.
start the countdown. Oh, he already responded.
Okay. Okay, so
So,
congrats,
congrats.
Ikmal. You got the 3D printer filament. 1 kilogram. So 1 kilogram is a lot. Can
Yeah,
use
it's a
it
lot.
for a long time. Yeah. So you want
So make
to
sure
proceed?
to give your details to our genies,
Yeah.
so that we can send the giveaway to you. Okay, so I'm just uploading back the code.
Okay.
Okay.
Can I?
Because this one, because using the maker feather, it's take a bit time.
Yeah, I understand.
Right. So I think for the next one, I'm not gonna show this one. We just see the product only lah.
Yeah. All these three is from Adafruit.
Yeah. For the next three is from Adafruit. I think we are seeing more and more like Adafruit product because one
Yeah.
of the reason is that we are coming up with our own. We are also using the MakerPod now.
Yeah.
So you see, like MakerPod is something similar to the. It's not something.
Compatible
It is
lah.
compatible with the STEMMA
Compatible,
QT, with the Spark Fun. So that's why we are bringing more. This is much more easier for the interfacing.
Yeah,
So
for
you need
wiring.
to. Yep. Right. So I think I already managed to upload the code. So just let me share with you. Okay. So this is how we will get the readings. So as you can see here, the accelerometer. So this is the sensor. So if I'm moving very fast, you can see the how fast is like getting the changing of the value. If I'm stagnant or not moving, you can see the value is not moving as fast. So if I would move the sensor, so what it will be turning, the gyro will have the different reading and everything. So that's about the first sensor, right? Okay, so let's see the price for this one. Let me minimize this one. Okay. Okay, so the price for this product is 68 ringgit, and currently we are giving 20% off for this product as well. 20% off for this product, so you can grab this for 54 ringgit and 40 cents. So we have 9 in stock and 12 and a half days before the offer ends. So try to grab this while the stock and the offer price lasts. So this one is quite interesting. The sensor is very small, and yet you are getting a very good readings. And if you want to apply for your robotics project, so this will be the good option. Right. Let's move to the next product for today. Okay, this one is another product from Adafruit as well. Something similar to the previous one, MPU 6050, but this one has a more advanced feature basically. Right. So the sensor we're going to see is the LSM 9DS1. So this one is a bit, if you're looking at let me just bring my camera. Right. So if you are looking side by side, let me just put it side by side. They're pretty much they are identical.
Oh yeah.
It's very identical. I mean, in terms of the shape, but if you look at the arrangement of the chips and everything, they are different, right?
Oh,
So
the LSM also have extra pin, right? Extra
yeah, they have more
pin.
extra pin down here. You have extra pin. Basically, you have extra pin. I think one more pin or two pins. I think. No, 3 pins. 3 pins.
Oh,
3 extra pins. Yeah. Okay, so let's look at the sensor. So this is the back here.
Oh.
So you can see it's a very detailed. It has the. Okay, let's look at this one. Okay. For the first one, which we see just now, only have the gyro and it only has the gyro and the accelerometer. Gyro and accelerometer. But here for the LS, okay, let me see, the LSM 9DS1. It's a 9 degree of freedom. This one has another additional feature whereby you can see it has the gyro, same gyro, and it has the magnetic field sensor. So this one can detect the magnetic field and also the accelerometer. So another feature of this is that you can program it is capable of detecting for the gyro 3 different range, which is the 245, and this one is I think 500 or 509 if I'm mistaken, and the one is another one 2000. And for the magnetic field, so you have the 4, 8, 12 and 16, which is measured in the Gauss. And for the accelerometer also you have the 4 different range, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So this one you can try to configure in 3 different modes or 4 different modes actually. And for this, if you're very basic or just want to explore about this sensor, there is a readily available library in the Arduino as well, or in the Circuit Python. So you can always come and check on the library and to see how this one works. And let me try to zoom if we can see the chip they are using. I'm not sure if we are able to see it.
Oh, can
Yeah, slightly can, but not so clear.
not so clear.
Yeah, it's not so clear. 9,000 or the other way. I think the other way. Yeah, it's 2218 U2. I'm not sure what chip they are using, but this one definitely for the sensor specifically for the sensor. Alright, so the interfacing are pretty much the same. You can always use the STEMMA QT cable or the MacroPort cable, and you can always hook it up. And once
you need to adjust the focus.
the focus, yeah. So once you have it in place. So you can always you have an indicator here, so it's power up, it's correctly working, and you can always interface to the maker port on our maker feather or any other devices as well. Right. So that's about the Adafruit LSM 9DS1 breakout. It's a 9 degree of freedom. Previously the one is a 6 degree of freedom. Basically this one is for the, usually we use for the robotics lah, the term, the DOF. Alright, and okay, the magnetic, let me just okay. So this is the additional sensor of this sensor, whereby you have the 3-axis magnetometer that can sense where the strongest magnetic force is coming from. So generally used to detect the magnetic knot, right? So I think here there's no much. Okay, this is the 3 different range you can use for the gyroscope, and 4 different range for the magnetometer and the accelerometer. And so usually you can always come to the product page here to know more about the details and function of each of the pins. And also for the examples, it's already in the resources. You can always check out on the resources. And the price, this one is a bit expensive if you can see it comparing the sensor, because it has more capabilities. That's why it's coming more expensive, the price. And the price for this product is 209 ringgit for the sensor. And currently we are having 20% off for this product as well. And with this you can grab this for 167 ringgit and 20 cents. So we have 6.5 days more before the offer ends, and 4 more in stock. So if you're into into robotic projects and everything, and this will be the good time to buy and explore this product, since you can grab this for 20% off. So I think that's about the product for the LSM 9DS1. So let's move to the next product for today. So this one you need to give me a bit time also. So this one is quite interesting because I need to upload the code as well, because I'm using the same device. Okay, but before we upload and go into the detail, let me just share with you the product itself. It's with me. Right, so this is the IS31FL3741. It's a 13x9 RGB. So this one is
LED
13 times. It's a LED, RGB LED.
Yeah.
So you can see here, this one is the I2C. It's driven by the I2C PWM LED matrix driver.
How to remember the chip?
Yes, it's quite long. Quite
IS3.
many.
Very long.
Very long. Yep. And here, as you can see, notice up here. Okay, this is the one of the features lah. You can see in most of the Adafruit or some of the products here. So we have the option to change the address. Okay. So if you can see here, currently the address is connected to 0 times 30 lah. The address is at 30. Just in case, like if you have another 3 more device of this and you want to connect it together, so what you can do is that, because all the devices is going to be connected to 0 times 30. So if you're connecting to another device, so there'll be a clash of the address, basically I2C address. So what you can do is you can disconnect this line here. We can disconnect this line here, and we connect this line. Just put a solder paste within this one, and your I2C address will become 0 times 33 instead of the default, which is the 30. But make sure you need to cut off this line. You cannot you need to cut off this line, and you need to connect this line. These two are not connected yet, so you can just put a solder here to connect them.
Oh, nice.
Right. This one nice. This feature is very good. Because if you're connecting, like you want to have a range of display, right? You want to have like 4, then you can just like use the
program one by one.
One by one.
You can program all yeah.
You just program one, and then you just connect it in a serial just all the so it'll be working together. So let me just program it and demo it to you. This one is quite interesting to demo. So meanwhile, just want to upload and reset the code. Okay, just let me upload the one. it taking some time as well. Okay, meanwhile I'm uploading the code. Just we can just go through the product page. Just a few more. Okay, so okay, this one is a special RGB LED to project your robot 13 times 13 times 9 RGB LED matrix breakout. It features 17 RGB 117 RGB LEDs. All right, and the pitching size is 3 mm. The 3 mm is the size between the LEDs.
Spacing.
The spacing. Because if you wanna go closer, we do have the one like 2 mm pitching also. We do have 2 mm pitching, but not this one. This one is a 3 mm pitching. And here are the details which we have seen just now. And yeah, this is the one I mentioned just now. Just say like you are connecting more. So you need to first cut the bottom, this line. You need to cut off the line, and you can connect the rest of the three. I mean, just one now. You just select one. You don't solder all. You just select which either within the three address. You select one. So that one will be changed to different address. Right. So let me. Okay. So uploading the code. Okay. Meanwhile, I think this one I will demonstrate towards the end of the session.
Okay. Can.
So we don't want to wait for that. We just move on to the 3D print.
Next product.
Before we move on, just a few
comment.
Yeah, few comment. Yeah, I think some of my comment. Congrats. Then Unix kernel.
Unix
You are late.
kernel.
No worries. You have for the big giveaway at the end of the session.
The
No
main
worries
part
for
is
that.
at the end of the session.
Still available. Right, and you say morning. Yeah, morning. Thanks for joining us, Unix kernel. Alright, so the next product is the 3D print breast heat threaded inserts embedment nut.
Oh, so long the title.
Yeah, title long. Yeah, this one is for 3D printer actually.
Yeah.
3D printed product. I would say 3D printed product, whereby you want to have inserts to screw. I mean, you want to attach two different compartments or what, and then you want to have a better holding. So what we do is we use the inserts to insert inside the hole which already printed, and this one you need to use like a soldering iron to insert it. You need to use a heating element to push it inside the 3D printer place so that it will become secure. So once it's secure there, once it's become cool down, it will be stuck there, and you can use the screw to screw it. Right?
Yeah, actually I have the product with me.
Oh, you have the
Yeah.
one. Okay, let me just bring your screen then so that you can have a better look.
Come with three size.
Okay.
So very small. So you will use this with screw, right?
Yep.
So you put this in your printed product and you put your screw.
Yep. So that's how it works, basically. Okay. So the price for this product is this one is very basic product, so we are not go very in detail of the product. Just you can know the size. This one is a M3 size. You just beware of the size. This one is for the M3 size, the thread size. Right. So the actual price is you have for the M3 we have three option actually, M3, M4 and M5. So the M3 is cost you 35 cents, and for M4 is 40 cents, and M5 is 50 cents. So for all this we have 20% off, and for M3 is already out of stock. For M4 and M5 we still have in stock, so you can try to grab this while the stock and the offer price last. So if you're into 3D printing, this will be a good time to stock it up. So in the next print you can try to use it and experience how it will look like. And let's move to the next product. This one is related to the 3D printer as well. And this one is a Volcano Nozzle E3D V6. Volcano Nozzle for 3D printer.
Yeah, actually it's my first time I see a very long
Nozzle.
Nozzle.
Usually it'll be very
Become,
very short.
yeah. So this one
This one
is
is a long
long.
nozzle.
Volcano.
Volcano. This one is a volcano nozzle. So I think we have 6 different of size starting from 0.2 mm, 0.4 mm, 0.6 mm, 0.8 mm, 1 mm, and 1.2 mm. So basically, this one the size will differ in the size of the extruder will extrude the 3D printer filament. The most commonly we use is the 0.4 mm. But if you want to go a bit bigger or smaller, there's an option there. So this one is specifically for the support for wait we have the okay, this one is for suitable for the Artillery Genius Pro, Artillery and Artillery Sidewinder X2. So if you're using Hornet, this is not suitable for Hornet. Hornet you definitely will need to use a different one, and the one you need a different one. The shorter one.
The shorter one.
Yeah, this one is for the Genius Pro and the X2 Sidewinder.
Yes.
Alright, so we're not gonna go much detail in this product as well. So this one just a straightforward product. But if you want to know the spec and what are the things you wanna know a bit uh, difference between the shorter nozzle. I mean the size of the nozzle, how it affect your 3D printing. You can always come to product page here and to know more about the details of this. And currently we are having 20% off for all the six types of the nozzle. So you can always come and check it out here to know more about the detail of the product. Okay, and we have 6.5 days more before the offer ends. So try to grab this while the stock lasts and the offer lasts. Okay, let's move to the last product for today. So the
This
last
is
product
also
is for
highlight
Raya.
for today. Highlight.
So you're gonna
Sampul
celebrate Raya.
Raya.
So this is Sampul Raya. Okay. Then every year we don't miss this Sampul Raya actually. You know? Every
Last
year we have a
year,
different
last year we got the blue color one, all blue with
all blue, yeah.
electronic components on the Sampul Raya. This
Ah,
one we
yes,
make
yes.
it more cuter one,
A
more
cuter one.
cute.
Yeah. We use Adam and Eva as the
Anna.
main Anna Eva with Anna. Adam and sorry for that one. So you can always come and check here. So this one is very cute.
Okay,
So
you can open the main image and highlight the promotion.
this one is it this one
Yeah,
or
yeah. You can
yeah?
see in the green
This
box.
one is the highlight. So if you can buy, if you're buying our Cytron product for 10 ringgit and more, so you can claim this for 1 ringgit. So this is a limited
Yeah,
sample. It's not like
yeah,
every time it's available. So
yeah.
it's a limited edition. So
So if you want for free and then buy certain product for 50
Cytron
ringgit,
product.
and then you will get uh, 10
Yeah,
pieces something
10 pieces
for
for
free.
free. Yep. Oh, yeah, actually, it's in small actually. For if you're buying like more than 20 ringgit, for 20 ringgit you can buy this for 50 cent. If you're buying for more than 30 ringgit, you can get it for 10 cent. And
Yeah,
if you're buying it for 50 ringgit, you'll get it for free.
very
So
cheap.
try to get this one is cute. I mean, like kids love it. I mean, and also if you're a maker, then if you're getting a maker sample,
Yeah.
will be good also. Alright, so let me see if there any other highlights. Okay, each pack contains the 10 pieces. If you're getting, then you will get the 10 pieces of the Sampul Raya lah. And yep, I think that's about the.
Um, there is comment from Richie Peng. Should give away this ma. So
Should
I
give away
think
this.
it's not a problem. I can add one more winner for today, and that winner will get this free Sampuraya.
Sampul Raya. Okay. Oh, that's good. That's good.
So there will be two more winners for today.
2 more winners. Yep. So I think we can start. I think after this I'll demo
You want
the
to
metrics.
proceed with
I don't know. I
the?
think we do the one giveaway first, then we do the
Okay,
demo,
okay.
then we end. Okay.
So then we just for this one we go for Sampul Raya
Sampul
price
Raya
first
first.
lah.
Okay.
Okay.
So be ready guys for Sampul Raya. The
Free
start of the
Sampul
Sampul Raya.
Raya.
Yep.
Okay. Who is the lucky one?
XDN Ikhwan.
SDN Ikhwan from Instagram.
Are you with us? Ikhwan, I think we can address him as Ikhwan.
Yeah,
Ikhwan,
Ikhwan.
are you with us? We need to start the
Countdown.
countdown.
Yeah.
So if you are with
So
her, just I think we can start to count lah.
10, 9,
9,
8, 7,
7,
6,
6,
5,
5,
4,
4,
3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
10.
Then,
Okay,
okay.
I remove Ikhwan.
So we need to choose another winner.
Okay, another winner. Christy Wee
Christy Wee
from
from
Instagram.
IG, from Instagram as well. So are you with us? So if you are with
10,
us,
9,
9,
8,
8,
7,
7,
6,
6,
4,
5,
5,
5, 4,
4,
3,
3, 2,
2, 1,
1.
8.
And
Okay, so we go for next winner.
yeah, next one. Sorry, I don't bring the Sampul Raya, but you can see it
Yeah.
exactly in the product page. Same.
Yep.
Saifulko
Saifulko.
is this.
Are you with us, Saifulko?
Uh,
From IG also. So let's
yeah.
start the countdown. 10,
10,
9,
9,
8,
8,
7,
7,
6,
6,
5,
5,
4,
4,
3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
1. Oh, it's fair, huh? Usually Saifulko.
Usually
Yeah.
it's it's okay.
Okay, so we just
So we need
remove.
to remove.
Okay, maybe there is lucky for Roichi Play.
Yeah.
Because found a lot of comment, right? Okay.
I think Chris Lee, right? CS Lee is Chris Lee, right? If I'm not mistaken.
Not
Or
sure.
different. Okay, are you here with us? CS Lee from
So actually
ST.
from Facebook.
So let's start the countdown.
Okay, 10,
10,
9,
9,
8,
8. Oh, you're
7.
here.
Oh, okay.
He's here. All right.
Yeah.
Congrats, seriously. So you won the Sampul
Sampul
Raya.
Raya. Cytron
Raya.
version. Yeah.
Yep.
So don't forget to give the information
To our
to
genies.
our genius support team.
Yeah. So we will send the Sampul Raya to you. Okay, just before we do the last spin, I just want to demo the last one.
Okay.
Just quick one, just very quick one, just to show you the how it will look like. Because this one is, I think it's worth of sharing. So this is how it will look like. So this is very beautiful.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
So
It's
this one I
like a
just
display,
animated.
but it has RGB.
RGB,
Right.
yes. Yeah. Maybe the RGB is not so visible because it's a bit bright.
But I can
Maybe
see.
that. We need to reduce the brightness now. But this one is very good. Even in the light also you can always see it's very clear. Yeah. Okay, that's
very
the
nice.
demo for the last product just now. Which I am not able to demo. So I think we will continue with the spinning.
Yeah, last spin.
Okay, this is the last one.
So for the last one, the main
The-
prize, the most
main prize for
expensive
today.
one.
The main
Son
prize
of
for
product.
today. Yep.
4-channel Wi-Fi smart switch. So you can do smart home, real application of smart home.
Smart home.
Okay, so I spin.
Ian Ngo from IG. Are you with us?
Instagram.
Ian Ngo. So we will start the countdown. So we start from now. 10,
10, 9,
9, 8,
8, 7,
7, 6,
6,
5,
5,
4,
4,
3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
Okay, so choose the next winner.
Yeah. So
Make people
everybody,
understand why we are doing we have the countdown, because some of them are not here. They just put the name.
yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
we need to choose another winner. So that's the reason.
Oh, I can see next comment.
Muhammad
21 FB.
Muhammad Hakim
Muhammad
from
Akim.
Facebook.
Are you here? Are you with us, Muhammad Akim?
So if you are here, please
Please
comment.
comment to us. Okay, maybe we
10,
can start.
9.
9.
Oh,
Oh, he's here.
let,
Ino Maker.
let me show. Maybe, yeah, this is his YouTube account.
The account. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Ino Maker. So congrats. So this is
So
the first time,
congrats.
you're winning. I'm not sure if you have joined. I can't remember if you have joined our previous NPI session, but anyway, congrats for
Yeah, congrats.
winning the main prize for today.
Yeah.
So
So please send your details to our
our
Genius
genies.
support team.
So we will send the prize to you.
Yeah.
Right. I think with this we have come to an end to our NPI session for today, and thank you all for joining with us and being with us for the past 1 hour. And I think we will be meeting 2 weeks from now, but I think 2 weeks from now is a Raya holiday already.
Yeah, yeah,
On
Raya
Tuesday,
already.
right? Raya holiday. So I think
So maybe just
maybe we'll be meeting you
postpone that.
guys after the Raya,
Yeah.
the week after Raya.
Okay.
So everyone whoever celebrating the Raya, we want to wish you all Selamat Hari Raya, early Selamat Hari Raya
Yeah.
wish to you all, and
Happy
also
holiday.
and happy holiday for everyone will be going for holiday, because you're gonna have like 1 week holiday, I believe. So just be safe and always be safe lah. So we shall meet in 2 weeks time. Thank you for joining us, and signing off from you all, from me Hussein and
Yeah, Haire.
Hairi.
Bye-bye.